Hello, my YouTube family. Welcome back to Melda 242. I am Melda, and today is Saturday, the day after Good Friday. I'm preparing for my family stewed fish with freshly baked coconut rolls. If you want to see how I achieve this, then I suggest you continue watching. Okay, let's do it. Okay, in this pot, I am just toasting some flour, all-purpose flour, and of course the temperature is on medium. Now the trick to this, you have to keep it moving. Keep the flour moving. Only flour is in this pot. So it's going to brown just like that. Just keep it moving. It's ready. Okay, just pour it into a bowl. I took it out now. I'm just cleaning the residue out of the pot. It's ready. Okay. To this pot, I'm just going to add about a tablespoon of oil. Okay. Then the onion, bell pepper, and celery. Of course, a complete measurement of each will be listed in the description box below. The garlic and ginger. This is going down on here this morning. It's going down. Thyme is already added. Now I'm adding Maggie vegetable cube. I just love to add this to just about everything I cook. Maggie vegetable cube. Now that's optional, but it has the flavor. I don't want you to miss out on anything. Old Bay seasoning. This is a seafood seasoning and I'm trying it for the first time. So this is also optional. It's up to you. Total seasoning. It's your pot. You work it. Whatever I'm using in my own and you don't want it in yours, just leave it out. Use your favorite seasoning. Get all of this good stuff mixed up together. Just like that. Now, you don't see a load of grease in this. No. You don't need it. It's not necessary. Just a little bit. Just to soften the veggies. 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. Feel free to use the fresh tomatoes if you wish. Now the toasted flour. That's going to give you the color. Just coat everything with that. Everything. Just like that. Now the trick with stew. The more liquid you use, the thinner the broth is going to be. Or the stew. Less liquid, then you're going to get a thick stew. It's up to you. Now I prefer my stew not too thick and just right. So continue watching. Water. Now I'm using 4 cups of water. Less water yields thick stew. It's correct. Get that all mixed up and allow it to cook. You have to cook that flour off. All the goodness is at the bottom, so you have to get it up just like that. It's going down in here. Salt to taste. Please. Remember the fish, they have already been seasoned, so you don't really have to go overboard with that. Red pepper flakes can always be substituted with black pepper or your favorite spice. Remember, whatever I'm using and you don't want in your stew, just leave it out. Or you add your own twist to it. How does that sound? So I'm going to cover this down and allow it to just do its thing for about 5 to 8 minutes. There you have it. Now it's time to add the fish. Now these are fish that were left over from yesterday, Good Friday. So, and I am working the heads and all. So that we have 3 whole fish, 2 halves like that, and about 3 or 4 heads. I'm working it. Oh yes. And the temperature is just a little above low. Covering the fish with the good old stew. Oh my word. Hubby already been in here and he's asking if it's finished yet. Can't wait. There you have it. Look at that. It's ready. Woohoo! This is Bahamian stew fish. Just like that. Look at it. Not too thin and not too thick. Just right. So remember to check out the description box now. I'm going to have everything listed there for you so you can try it out. So I'm just going to turn the stove down to its lowest just to keep it warm until we're ready. Which is going to be very soon. That's the rolls. They just came out. Coconut rolls. Now come on. Just think about it. Oh my word. There you have it. That's breakfast. It's served. Breakfast is served. Stew fish. Bahamian stew fish. Coconut rolls. Oh my. I am still bringing the restaurant home. And this also can be served for breakfast, lunch, or dinner in the Bahamas. That's how we do it. Thanks for watching this video all the way to the end. If you have enjoyed it, you know what to do. Give it a thumbs up, share it out, leave a comment. God bless you. God bless you, and I will see you in the next one.